Once upon a time, there was this magic cat whose world was about to change.
This is freaking boring. I wish there was real magic cats.
Shira, I bet you do. I bet you do.
Ain't no illusion.
Come on,
Try
we
to
have to
click
show
with
you.
what you got. Taste every potion. 'Cause if you like yourself a lot, go let it out.